After a cat and mouse game between N26 and the German BaFin, it looks like they're taking their penalizing of malpractice to a whole new level. While the German challenger seems to be enjoying the high waves of the funding race with rivals like Revolut and Monzo, the same cannot be said about its relationship with the regulators. If you are even remotely connected to the payment industry, you probably heard about the hefty fine they received over their failing anti-money laundering strategy. But did the BaFin take it a notch too far this time? And how will the challenger navigate the consequences? Hello everyone, this is Mark from Payment Genius, and today it's all about payments. After being appointed a watchdog by the regulators, N26 has now been given a cap on their customer acquisition. In other words, the bank that has been onboarding 170,000 customers every month can now only accept 50 to 70,000 users monthly until they address issues raised by the BaFin. Banks, both incumbents and challengers, have been notorious for questionable compliance with AML. Just to refresh your memory, ING was fined $3 million for failures in anti-money laundering regulations earlier this year, only to be followed by ABN AMRO agreeing to pay a whopping 480 million euros for similar violations. Not to mention that Monzo is also under investigation by the British regulator. It seems, however, that these hefty fines weren't really helping with the issue, as banks continue to violate AML rules despite hefty fines. Therefore, the BaFin is putting a limit on customer acquisition this time, which we also expect to be the business model of N26. Looking at this extreme measure, we can't help but wonder about their missing out of potential revenue this could cost. So we believe that the next strategy for N26 to maintain their revenue is to maximize the value of their existing customers. So, how do you think they could compensate for the lost revenue on customer acquisition? Finally, it is evident that the German regulators are keeping an extra sharp eye on financial institutions after the recent Wirecard scandal. But looking at the severity of this new penalty, do you think that the BaFin is doing the right thing? Or did they take it a notch too far this time? We're really curious to hear your thoughts about this one. For now, I'd like to thank you all again for watching. I'm looking forward to see you all again next week. Cheers, bye-bye!